Raya, wala na pong timeout. UDBC, dalawa pa. Both teams in penalty.
Wala.
Possession now, QDBC. Manluta. Kunti ka nga daw. Nakuha nito ang sabat. Walking in the winter wonderland. Score ka ng paripong score. 6-1 PJ. Next game, dalawa na po. Asalem Mandatres. Dalawa na po dyan. Malamig po ang maestro. Custodio cross-court pass to number 5. Number 4. Fabio. Fabio, guarded by Ras. Fabio, lapit na! Wala na yung PDBC. Pasok! Pasok na! QDBC extending the lead to 5 points, 63 per day. 1 minute 14 seconds. Cosmo gets the foul. A foul on jersey number 15 and number 15. Third foul. Ang saya. 1 minute 11 seconds. 1 minute 11 seconds. Two people's Mr. Gusto. First drive. No. Second drive.
Warning na yun.
Gusto. Basket is in. Cutting the lane to 1 points. Tuason. Ras. Salon. Ice cream on the road. It's stepping on the sideline. Ball will stay with the QDBC. What a nice goal from our referee Kapitan Hernan Flores from Latin America. Tuason, ginugulo. Tuason. That's a foul. A foul on number 31. Holding foul penalty. Score 63-59. 1 minute, 1 second. Number 31, Papio Damaselman, warning for graduation. First try. 64-59. Laman po ng mga QDBC. Hihirin pa sila ng isang laro para sa drive. Basket is good. Number 3, no! Pass break play. 55 yards. Touchdown! 45 seconds. 67-59. Number 5. Pass break play to number 9. Start by number 15. Number 15. Nakakaway na sila. 15. Happy na yung sila. Pass break play. Nakuha na naman dati. Mandona. 30 seconds. There's a foul by duty foul by number 5. Penalty. Hindi pa po babagsak ang mga lobo.
Tayong laro na to.
Pipigilan ng QDBC. First try, wala! 27 seconds. Second try ni Kernel Tuason. Basket is Fabio. Fabio. Crossing the border. Number 2, marks the three. Punches it through. And 68-62. 6-1 lead. There's a foul. A foul on number 2, holding foul. 16 seconds remaining. Next game, galaw-galaw na po. Team Ascot and Man Metrics. Magandang laban din niya, parang ganito.
Bakay na lang, next time.
Parang yan. First try, wala. 16.4 seconds.
Ang daming mali dyan sa video na yan.
Yung guardia natin. Basket, second round. Fabio. 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 Technical. That's why technical. You did not touch. That's why technical. If you touch, unsportsmanlike right foul. Okay. Subdivision. Mr. Berard. Take a rest. It's 11 seconds remaining.
Pasok mo, pasok mo.
First try basket is good.
Bernard. Take time.
Second try. Basket is good. And now it's just a 5-point lead. Maraming salamat. Ito nga. Mr. Bill.
Oh, pwesto, pwesto. Oh.
The coach of Rams. Fabio. Fabio. Jonathan Tagalog by sa 3. No! Rebound. Number 5. It's not pass. Pass break. Number 7. No! Basket down. No more time. But basket down. Okay, Kamayan Restaurant po tayo mga kaibigan.
Hindi mo i-basket.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutungan sa ating Pinoy Express. Meron pa pong next game, Game 3, para sa QTPC